What's up, everybody? This is my long-term review of my AIM Surplus branded G19. The only parts on this gun that are not AIM Surplus branded is the stripped SCT frame and the red dot. Everything else came from AIM Surplus branding on it. Slide, barrel, internals, sights, which, as you can see, the front one yeeted itself at some point. It's gone forever. Don't really care about that. This gun has performed very well, exceeded expectations. I've had it for just over a year. I stopped counting at 5,000 rounds. A few hiccups here and there, but nothing to note, really. It is ported, which makes it a dream to shoot. As you can see, it has been well shot. I've never cleaned this. That's not bragging, I'm just lazy. And yeah, like I said, could not be happier with AIM Surplus branded stuff. It's really good. The trigger on these, they look to be OEM. They are AIM branded. Internals very well, like way better than a factory Glock trigger by miles. So yeah, that's my long-term review of AIM Surplus branded Glock stuff. Could not recommend them enough. I think this entire gun was about $500 with everything. Everything you see here was about $500. So very good value. And yeah, shout out to AIM Surplus. They make some good stuff.